What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another Matt Perry video. I like going over Shiba Inu coin and exactly what the price predictions could be for this position. Now, I've given you my price predictions and where I see it going, but it all depends on, how long it takes for this bull market to actually happen, right? But we have others that have predictions that are out there, and I want to see exactly where they stand as to where it's going. And also, as you see these predictions, it kind of helps out your case, right? It's always healthy to look up different predictions as people have conservative levels, they have more aggressive levels, they have levels where people don't believe it's going to increase at all. And you want to hear all sides, right? I understand how someone spreading negative news could be considered FUD and you don't even look at it. But I suggest that you do look at it because maybe they have some valid points as to what you can add into your overall strategy. Maybe that does have a major factor into the long-term growth of the project. So make sure you guys don't only do your research, listen to other research that is out there, and then do your fact checking into it, because you don't want to just take someone's information and then go, okay, I'm going to react based on this information. You want to take the information, go and research it yourself. After you do your research, then you react. That's how you should take it in. And if you are not taking in negative and positive information into the project, then you don't truly support the project and the growth of the project. You only support you. So make sure you guys care about the project you're investing into. As a lot of people say in investing, I don't invest into any company that I don't actually step my foot into, right? So you have to believe in the company. You have to believe in the crypto project. And let's go ahead and talk about Shiba Inu in this video and the price predictions associated with it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Don't forget about my credit card YouTube channel, which I will provide a link to it in the cards. Thank you guys for subscribing. I think we're at like 160 subscribers. So thank you for whoever subscribed to it and, enjoys the content, watches the content. I appreciate you guys. But like I said, let's talk about Shiba Inu. I think we can start out with exactly where Shiba Inu is, as long as I search for it. So let me just search for Shiba Inu before I bring this up on the screen. Currently, Shiba Inu is down on the day. We did see that the market is not really showing the most positive movement, because it is down about 0.3%. We're seeing a decrease in volume of about 9%. So we're looking at about $27.9 billion worth of volume. Remember, at the high point, we were seeing hundreds of billions of dollars that were going through the crypto market on a given day. That's insane. And to see some of that go through Shiba Inu, right? Shiba Inu was seeing $1 billion, $2 billion, $3 billion, tens of billions of dollars that were going through this one project during the high points, during the growth phase that was there. But we're seeing about $27.9 billion worth of volume overall. If we look at how Shiba Inu has been performing, again, it's down by 0.6% at a $4.2 billion market cap. The volume is also down by 27%, seeing it at 63 million, almost 64 million. If we look at volume to market cap ratio, it doesn't really show the most popular movement at 1.5%. Volume to market cap ratio. Again, we want to see the circulating supply that decreases in order to see some of these major price predictions happen. But when it comes to standard price predictions, just based on what you can see within the movement and what prices it can get to based on that, that's really what I want to focus on. And I'm sure that these predictions, as we talk about this prediction of getting to 0.0002, you're going to see 2% of a penny. That is a doable figure. So let's explain exactly how that is doable. So let's look at the price prediction first. So Shiba Inu price prediction 2023 to 2025. Will Shiba Inu boost in 2023? So just to give some points, Shiba Inu price could reach a maximum of 0.00001169 by the end of 2023. Shiba Inu's price will potentially surge and could go as high as 0.000195, or basically 0.0002 that we can get to by the end of 2030. And SHIB's price is currently at 0.000007, and where I show it at is, yes, 0.000071 or 72. We scroll down here. Just to understand maybe the piece to it, to where we're just trying to get into the price prediction up to 0.0002. We don't want to have to dive into all of that. So 2023 Shiba Inu price prediction for 2023. Currently, Shiba Inu's price is on a downward trend. It is likely that it may continue to fall to 0.000065. Remarkably, the price has broken through a pendant form and is now below the 50-day exponential moving average, or EMA. Initially, Shiba Inu has had a challenge to start to 2023 with its price falling about 7.64% year to date. Currently, it's trading at 91.65% discount from its all-time high. That's a huge discount, as it has dropped down. If the price can continue to rise at this trend line that it has here, it's possible that it could reach the target of 0.00001690. That's actually below my cost basis still, because I invested somewhere around the 0.00002 level. But they also believe that it could drop to 0.0000051 instead of being at 7 or 6. We would be at 5.1. Let's go into a price prediction for 2030. You can see here that they have a breakdown of exactly what these price predictions can be: 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, and 2030, with a high potential for 2026 at 4 zeros and a 6. And 2027, 4 zeros and a 7, basically. 2028, 4 zeros and a 9, breaking that level of that drop zero by 2029. And then 2030, they believe that it could push up to about 0.0002. Now, for me, I feel as though this is very conservative, because when we see a bullish market, when we see the actual bull market happen, we know of how much of an impact we could see within Shiba Inu. We've seen it before. We've seen the price rise a lot higher, and they're being very conservative based on what maybe the history is showing for the last year or year and a half, right? But if it was history based on what happens in a bull market and how much goes into a lot of these popular plays, you would see this prediction be a lot more aggressive. And that's why my prediction is more before 2025, we would see that level of 0.0002, because that's really about $100 or $120 billion market cap. Can we see it get to $100 or $120 billion market cap? I believe if the markets are worth multiple trillions of dollars, and you're seeing Bitcoin up at trillions and Ethereum up at trillions and everything else that has the ability to grow up to tens of or maybe even hundreds of billions of dollars, you know XRP is going to be up there either in the hundreds of billions or even trillions of dollars, as well as BNB or things like Solana and stuff like that, right? You're seeing those in the hundreds of billions, if not even trillions of dollars, depending on how much people are investing into it, how much people believe in it. So you see the trickle down effect to some other plays that are very popular, and that being Dogecoin, that being Shiba Inu, and seeing a lot more of an aggressive move. In my opinion, this is very conservative. I feel as though it's going to make that move a lot sooner, but these are predictions. You have to take this into account. You have to understand where they're coming from, all the different research that they have done into it, but mainly looking at the trend line over the last 2 years rather than looking at the trend line that, really started really that bull market and what happened within the bull market. The line that it was moving then versus the movement that we're seeing now and the slow movement, right? People are skeptical about where crypto is going to go because they want to find the best point to invest before it does skyrocket. So guys, let me know what you think about this prediction. My prediction, that prediction, does it seem like it's on point? Does it seem legit? Is mine far-fetched? Is theirs far-fetched? What do you think about it? I know there's people that are against Shiba Inu, and I want to hear your opinion as well. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my new credit card YouTube channel, Perry CC, if you want to just type it in, or check out the channel in the cards. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.